The double slit experiment is one of the most fascinating and foundational experiments in quantum physics. It doesn't just test the behavior of particles, it challenges our very understanding of reality. It starts with a simple setup. A beam of light or water waves is aimed at a barrier with two slits. On the other side, a screen captures the results. What appears is an interference pattern, a series of alternating light and dark bands. This is classic wave behavior, where waves from both slits interfere with each other. Now here's where it gets quantum. Instead of waves, we fire individual particles, like electrons or photons, one at a time. You'd expect them to go through one slit or the other, like tiny marbles. But that's not what happens. Over time, even though particles are sent individually, they still form an interference pattern on the screen. It's as if each particle goes through both slits at once, interfering with itself. This reveals the strange wave-particle duality of quantum objects. They behave like particles when measured, but like waves when they're not. But now comes the twist. We place a detector at the slits to observe which slit each particle actually goes through. And just by observing, something incredible happens. The interference pattern disappears. The particles now hit the screen in two bands, just like you'd expect from classical particles. Why? Because the act of measurement, of observing the particle, collapses the wave function. The particle is forced to choose a definite path. The very act of looking changes the outcome. This is the observer effect in quantum physics. It's not that the particle behaves differently when we watch, it's that the measurement itself alters its behavior. Unobserved, the particle explores all possibilities. Observed, it chooses one. This experiment challenges our classical view of reality. It suggests that at the quantum level, reality doesn't exist in a definite state until it is measured. And so, the double slit experiment doesn't just reveal strange behavior. It forces us to rethink what it means to observe, to measure, and ultimately, to know.